Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nandis. I am going to give you Dira Bridge tests for free for all the students who are writing CA Inter Jan 2026 exams. You all would have seen the video where Karthik sir has given free classes. So many students messaged me saying, Ma'am, what can we expect from your side? Karthik sir has given the free classes. What are you going to give us? And that is the reason why I thought I will give Tira Bridge Test for all the students for free, guys. Now you need to see the power of Tira Bridge Test, how the students have benefited by writing the test. This student is talking about the personal mentoring and Dira Bridge Test, how it has been a game changer for her, and finally she has become a CA finalist. Another student, I was literally flying in air. I knew all the answers when I was writing costing paper. It was as if I was writing in my home as a casual exam. It did not feel like a real ICA exam at all. And all is because of Dira test series. The power of Dira bridge test is actually immense, guys. She is another student who made use of the Dira bridge test. Religiously, she followed the schedule, and finally, she also says, surely because of the same test, that she has become a CA finalist. When you do classes and you practice the test series, it is actually a game changer, guys. You have to experience it to believe it. The Dira Bridge Test is basically the school model. In school, how you used to write so many tests and then only you go to the board exam. Here also, you ideally have to practice multiple tests before you go to the final exam. In Dira Bridge Test series, we have literally mimicked the school model. You will write cycle test, unit test, quarterly, half yearly, pre-board, and then go to the board exam, right? Here also in Dira Bridge test, you will write 4 25% syllabus test, that is your quarterly, and then you come to the half yearly, that is 50% syllabus, you will be writing 2 tests of that, and finally you will write one mock test, that is pre-board, and then finally you will go to the exam. Trust me, once you complete these 7 tests, the confidence that you're going to get is going to be immense. Like how the student said, I was flying in air because I knew all the answers, because she was confident, guys, by writing so many tests. Obviously, you get that confidence. Now, this Tira bridge test, I told you 7 tests, how this 4 into 25%, 2 into 50%, and 1 into 100% happens. This happens as per the GROW schedule. That means here you can see for accounts that test 1 is the 25% test for 50 marks. The schedule is given here. The test 2, the next 25% for 50 marks, the schedule is here. If you see, the first 4 tests are your 25% syllabus. The next 2 tests are your 50% syllabus where you will be writing for 100 marks. And the last test is the full syllabus mock test where you will be writing 100% syllabus for 100 marks. I will also show you for group 2 our favorite auditing paper. Yes, guys. The first 4 tests, like I said, is the 25% syllabus where you will be writing for 50 marks. The next 2 tests is the 50% syllabus for 100 marks. And the last test is a full syllabus mock test where you will be writing for 100 marks. This is the schedule for the 7 tests that you will be writing for you to get the confidence to go and ace your final exams, guys. Now, after writing these tests, it's not like you will do self-evaluation and all. Because if I allow you to do self-evaluation, I know all of you are going to put 100 out of 100 for yourself. The evaluation will be done by experts, and this evaluation will be given to you within 5 working days. I will also show you a sample evaluated paper. If you see here, the evaluation happens this way. You get your marks secured and you also get something called as SPA score. What is this SPA score, ma'am? The evaluator is going to see your speed, whether you're able to complete the paper in the 3 hour or 1.5 hour period. How is your performance and how accurate are your answers? And after you see your SPA score, you also get a feedback for the answer sheet. The feedback for this student is please write for full marks, improve the handwriting horribly you have written, underline properly, leave the space, revise properly and read the question very carefully. Like this, the feedback will be given for each of the student who is writing the test. And for every answer that you're writing also, you're going to get the feedback. Now, if you see here in the question, only the operating activity was asked to be calculated. And see the second question, show the workings clearly. Show the workings clearly. Like this, every answer is going to have a feedback. Underline conclusion clearly. Give proper space. Even the minutest of the feedback, whether it is a presentation feedback, whether it is a conceptual clarity feedback, it will be taken care of the expert evaluator who is going to give you the feedback. And you also get access to the suggested answer, guys. Now, if you see the suggested answers, I'm showing you for advanced accounting. For MCQ, you not only get the answer, but also the explanation for the answer. Just see the MCQ and the explanation. And now when you come to the descriptive part, you see the answer, and for this answer, they have allocated 2 marks. And for this step, if you write this, then you get 1 mark for that step. The stepwise mark will also be given in the suggested answers, guys. Most importantly, after each answer, you get something called as common pitfalls. Pitfalls means these are the places where students will make mistakes usually. These are adjustments where you have to be extremely careful. For each of the answers, in the suggested answers, you are also going to get something called as common pitfall, guys. Just see how beautifully they have given the suggested answers. Lots of efforts actually goes into this, and the common pitfall is also given, guys. I will also show you a theory paper for you to understand. Now, this is our favorite auditing paper. The MCQ is going to have the answer and also the explanation. Now, if you see for descriptive, the keyword, whatever is there will be given. And if you write this keyword, you are going to get 1 mark. If you write this sentence, you are going to get another mark. That also will be given in the suggested answer. And similarly, common pitfalls is also given for this paper also. Usual mistakes of students. Usually, students will avoid these points. You don't make that mistake. Like that, the common pitfall will also be given for all the answers, guys. Like I said, the evaluation will be given in 5 working days. In the case the SPA score is not given properly or feedback for a specific answer is not given properly, if you feel re-evaluation is required, you can always message to your mentor or me or Karthik sir for the re-evaluation to take place, and we will be doing the re-evaluation for you. Every student who gets registered in the DIRA test will be mentored, and the mentoring calls actually happen daily, guys. So as soon as you register, you will come to the mentoring call and you will be making a customized schedule for yourself based on the date that you're joined, based on the preparation level that you have. This schedule will be made along with the mentor in the mentoring call, guys. Now, like I said, the mentor is going to be available every single day at a specific time. Say, for example, 5 to 6 p.m. the mentor is available. You come for the first mentoring call. The mentor will tell you 1 week, you follow the schedule, you study, write one test, come back and tell me what are the challenges that you faced. Were you able to write the test? Were you satisfied with your preparation? Do you want to change something? 7 days not sufficient. The next test, you take 10 days. Like that, there will be a two-way communication between the expert mentor and the student. And faculties also will be involved on a bi-weekly basis, guys. I told you about the customizable schedule which will be helped by the mentor. You will be making your own schedule and you will be following the schedule. Now comes the interesting part. A cash reward for a topper in DIRA test will be given, reward of 5,000 rupees for each subject. There is a catch to this. You should not only be a topper in DIRA test, you should also clear the ICAI exam. Now, once you clear the ICAI exam, you come to us and show me that you are a topper in DIRA test, then only we will give you the 5,000 rupees cash reward. Because if I simply say topper in DIRA test, I am giving you suggested answer also, there is a possibility somebody will just copy from suggested answer. I don't want that to happen. It is not beneficial for you or for me. I want you to pass the ICAI exam. So you be a topper here and you show me by passing the ICA exam and get this 5,000 rupees. Each subject topper will get 5,000 rupee cash reward, and this is not a joke, guys. Now say you have registered in the Dira test and you are not writing for some distraction. Nanba Nanbi is there or phone scrolling. You have forgotten about the test. In that case, we will be sending a WhatsApp message to you. Boss, you purchased the test. It is time for you to write the test. Please make use of the Dira test. We will be following up with you for you to write the test, and we will also send you a WhatsApp message for the feedback improvement. Test on test, you have to see an increase in mark. That is the most important one. And finally, there is a hard copy option also. If you opt for this hard copy option, we will send the question paper to your house and the answer sheets where you can write it in that rule sheet, and then you can scan and put it in the portal, guys. You can opt for this hard copy option also. Now comes the real game changer strategy, that is the 45-day plan. What should you do in this 45-day plan? Basically, if you see in the CA classroom, all the classes are split into 4. That only is the grow schedule. If you see, if you finish part G, that is your part 1, 25% of the syllabus in 10 days, on the 11th day, you are going to come and you are going to write the test. You evaluate yourself first on the 11th day, whether whatever time you spent on this 10 days, whether you have actually understood the subject properly. You evaluate yourself on the 11th day, write the test, and then move forward to the second part, that is part R. You go to the second 25%, watch the classes, take 10 days for the second part, and again on the 11th day, you're going to write the test. Same way, you're going to continue for part 3 and part 4. That is the grow schedule, guys. I hope that is very clear with a 45-day plan. 10 days each for watching the class, and finally one day for writing the test. 44 days, and finally the last day you will be writing the mock test. That is the 45-day plan. Now, sir has already given the G part. Yes, we have given the G part for completely free for all the subjects in CA classroom. Now, I am giving you the G parts test in each of the subjects for completely free, along with evaluation and feedback, guys. So basically, what I want you to do is, till 20th November, you have the class in hand. Watch the classes fast. Finish the classes for the G part and also write the test of that G part for you to see whether you have actually studied properly, whether you have actually understood the subject properly. You will know only if you write the test. So I am giving this to you for free, along with evaluation and feedback, like I told you, guys. How to access this free test, how to access the full test, all these details I will tell you where to access. You have to go to Dira test website. If you come down, the group bridge test is here. If you click on that, you can click on whichever group you want and you can purchase the test here. All the details with regarding to the test is given here. Sample evaluated paper. If you want to see, you can click here and you can see when the evaluation will happen, how the online live mentoring will happen. Every single detail is given here. How to access the free test? Scroll down a little bit. CA Inter Test 1 of all the subjects for Jan 2026. You can go here. You just have to pay ₹1. Select whether you're writing group 1 or group 2 and you can log in to proceed and purchase the test. Before you purchase, just take some time, come down, read the description and then go ahead to purchase the test, guys. Yes. Very clear till here. I have explained about the free test, that is the part G, that is the part 1, and how you can access the full test. If you are confident, you can go for the full test now itself, or you can access the part G now, write the test, and then after November 20th, you can go ahead for the full test. How do you access full classes plus test? That is the Wow Pro for you. Basically, if you purchase the Wow Pro, you get the test series also. If you come here, the Wow Pro subscription is here where you get quick concept revision, workout, and also 5 tests per subject. You can go ahead here whether group 1 or group 2 was the next poster. Read the description and then proceed to purchase in case you want to, guys. I have explained where you can access the free test, full test. Now, in case you are accessing the free test, you will be getting an email and all the instructions as to how to access the test will be given as part of your email. So please read the email and then start writing your test for part 1. I want you to experience the magic of these tests for yourself, like how all the students in Jan 26 who have cleared, like how they told it gave them wings, they were able to fly and all. I also want you to experience that confidence. Take this as a challenge, guys. The validity for you to purchase the 1 rupee test is 72 hours. So go ahead and purchase it immediately and experience the magic of the test for yourself. If you have any doubts, I have given my number here. I've given Karthik sir's number also here and admin's number also I have given. If you have any tech issue or if you want to know how to access the test, you can always contact the admin. Now till November 20, you have a solid plan as to how you have to watch the classes and how you have to write the test. Now I want you to put down a comment saying you have accepted my challenge. Please take it as a challenge, guys. Till November 20, you will give your full, and imagine on November 20, if you have already completed 25% of the syllabus, the confidence that you're going to get is going to be immense. You're going to complete the classes and write the test. Trust me, the confidence is going to be immense. So please accept this as a challenge and also write down in the comments saying you have accepted the challenge and you are ready for your Jan 2026 exams. I will be waiting to see the comments, guys. And yes, enjoy the test series, enjoy the classes like anything. All the best, guys.